Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a dazzling product that promises to elevate your festive looks, Go-Ho Gold Face Body Glitter. This holographic glitter makeup is a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of sparkle to their face, body, or even hair. Let's start with an overview of this product. The Go-Ho Gold Face Body Glitter features a unique blend of chunky and fine glitters in a gel base, creating a stunning metallic coverage with a captivating holographic effect. The vibrant gold hue of this glitter is designed to deliver ultra-reflective, shiny sparkles that are perfect for festivals, parties, or any occasion where you want to shine. Using this glitter is an absolute breeze. The gel comes with a stick adhesive that glides on smoothly with just a quick swipe of your finger or a brush. I found it easy to squeeze out the right amount, and the application was straightforward. You can layer it over face paint or body shimmer without any smudging, which is a major plus. For the best results, I recommend applying it in layers, allowing each layer to dry before adding more. When it comes to removal, just a little soap and water will do the trick, making cleanup as simple as application. Now let's talk performance. During my testing, I found that the Go-Ho glitter held up incredibly well throughout the day. The sticky gel ensures that even a thin layer provides impressive staying power. Once dried, it remains shiny and resistant to dropping, even under the sun. I wore it during a local music festival and it stayed put, keeping me radiant from start to finish. As with any product, there are pros and cons. On the positive side, the glitter is vegan and cruelty-free, made from natural ingredients that are safe for all skin types. Its versatility is another major advantage. It can be used on your face, body, hair, and even nails, making it an excellent addition to your makeup kit. On the downside, the stickiness of the gel may require a bit of practice to achieve the desired look, especially if you're layering it. Some users may prefer a spray or loose glitter option for quicker application. In comparison to other glitters on the market, Go-Ho's unique gel formula sets it apart, offering a long-lasting hold that many loose glitters may not. While some alternatives can be cheaper, they often lack the same durability and ease of use. If you're looking for quality and longevity, this product is a worthwhile investment. When considering value for money, the Go-Ho Gold Face Body Glitter truly shines. For its price, you get a versatile product that not only enhances your look, but is also long-lasting. The quality of the materials used is evident in the performance. I had no issues with durability or any design flaws during my testing. User-friendliness is another strong point. The gel's easy application makes it accessible for beginners, while also being effective for seasoned makeup enthusiasts. Additionally, my interactions with customer support were positive. They responded promptly and were helpful in addressing my queries. In real-world testing, I used the glitter at a wedding and a concert, and both times it drew compliments from friends and fellow attendees. The vibrant shimmer made my makeup pop, and I felt confident all day long. Since my initial use, I haven't noticed any updates or changes to the product, but it's performing consistently well. In conclusion, I highly recommend Go-Ho Gold Face Body Glitter for anyone looking to add a bit of glam to their makeup routine. Its versatility makes it perfect for various occasions, whether you're a festival goer or just want to elevate your everyday look. This glitter is especially suited for those who love to experiment with bold makeup styles and want a product that lasts. Thank you for watching. If you're intrigued by this glitter, you'll find the link to purchase it in the description below. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, especially if you've tried it yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to keep up with all our latest beauty tips and tricks.